Okay, we're gonna slide or we're gonna lift?
Well, let's try lifting and then maybe sliding.
Okay.
Alright. 1, 2, 3, go. Come on.
Wait,
turn
I'm sorry. I couldn't hear your count that. Let's try lifting. Count to 3 or something.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Okay, let's try. We'll both get this side and we're gonna swing. Come on, we're gonna.
How far are we? Why don't we push?
What? Where? Get it away. Dead one. Ew. Okay,
we're sliding. Let's try sliding.
we're gonna. Okay.
Oh my god, there's like 20 of them down here.
Are you kidding? Ew!
Okay.
Ew! There's 2.
20. 0 doesn't count.
Okay.
Wait, are we lifting or sliding?
Oh, we could try to slide, but it doesn't do anything. I pushed it.
I am so weak. You can lift your side, but I can't lift mine.
Okay.
Wait. You're too buff. I can't lift mine.
Oh, yes. I'm very strong.
You are like a freaking Hulk.